I really like this backpack. I think it looks really classy and chic. I love the zippers. They're nice, thick zippers, and I love the gold. This thing has pockets for days. You've got the front pocket, which has mini pockets. You have a nice deep inner pocket on the front. And then inside here, you have a half pocket on the front side, and then pen slots and another deep pocket as well. This feels really high quality. This is for tissues, so you could see you could put tissues in there and then pull them out, and it cinches kind of with that bungee. The only quality issue I see is this is crinkly, showing that it might be a little bit cheaper foam inside there. A nice strap for luggage, so you could put that over a luggage handle. This is more of the anti-theft kind of a pocket. It is not the full length, it's about half the width of the backpack. This is a standard size backpack, but it does have the handles on the top, which are made for easy carrying, and I love that. It also has another side pocket with the same bungees and then a charging port. It's USB to USB, so you could plug in a power bank or something like that and then charge your phone from your backpack. It has padded lap.
I have to share how nice this backpack is. Okay, there's so much room. You can fit whatever you need. 2 pockets right here, and then another pouch right here for chargers or whatever. Then it has, the zippers are just so nice and they zip so well. And then for reference, I have a notebook in here right now, and look how much room there still is. Then in here, there is room for your pens or your pencils, and then another zipper pocket right here that goes all the way down, and there is just so much room. And then all of this room in here, and look at all that. There's also the charging thing right there. For reference, this iPad fits in this pocket perfectly, and this is the 12.9 iPad. And then there's 2 spots right here for whatever you want. And it's just very large, like you can fit whatever you need. Then it has great cup holder right here, fit every.
So I wanted to share with you how nice this backpack is. The color is just beautiful, and the nylon is just very well made. The zippers zip wonderfully, but it's just a nice, expensive looking bag. I love how deep it is. Of course, it has room for your laptop and the charging port station in there. Just lots of room. Room for you to slide your phone in and have your headphones come out on this side. Room for a water bottle over here. But pretty compartments, and pretty deep compartments at that. Let's just see, there's just room for everything too.
This is really cute. It's very good quality. I really like it. It's perfect as you can put everything in there. My laptop, my notebooks, books, tablets. It is great. And I like the color. Let's see.
Tonight, this will be my day of real celebrating. She don't get us some food.
I don't lose my headphones.